Morning, everybody. We are in central Colorado, staying in the town of Westcliffe, which is out in the wilderness. We've only been here a couple days, and this is our first hike. We just came from Salida. We're going to be here for a while and experience this area. Today we're hiking the Rainbow Trail to Crystal Falls. It's about 6.5 miles. Got about, I think, 750 feet of elevation gain, so nothing too strenuous. And we're looking forward to the hike and seeing a waterfall. As is our tradition, we're going to have a snack and drink some fluids since we've reached our destination. It's a pretty fall. This is August, early August, so I'm sure the water flow is not what it is like in the spring or early summer. But it's still very much worth the hike. I enjoyed it. We're at about 9,500 feet of elevation. And you saw on our drive in the mountains. Those are the Sangre De Cristo mountains. And Westcliffe, the town we're in, is right at the base of them. So we've got just a beautiful view from our campground. But this hike didn't take us very long. It was really easy, but very beautiful, and I'm glad we did it.
Yep, and the wildflowers were gorgeous.
Yeah, the wildflowers are really beautiful right now. Well, we hope you enjoyed coming along on our little adventure, and we'll be seeing you soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.